Hey guys, Danny Johnson here. Justin SVT and I stopped into this dealership where this 02 Trans Am has basically been here since it was brand new. We remember seeing it when we were younger and we've always seen it there. It has dealer plates on it. I wonder if it's even ever been registered. So this is a really cool car. It's the same era as the 0304 Cobras, of course. This was the last year of the Firebird. And so it's really cool to see it. It's in very good condition, especially for being outside all the time and being a black car in this hot desert heat. But we just thought that you'd enjoy taking a look at this old timepiece here and have a little nostalgia and a little reflection back onto these cool cars from the late 90s, early 2000s.
Automatic.
Spicy, my friend. You get some people that are generally just kind of get a little upset about it. Yeah. Although that's pretty rare. Most of the time, it's usually the little kids in the back who just loving it, and their parents are like, they're like, rev it. And then you do, and they're like, shit, don't rev it, don't rev it. It's fun. I love it. It's so much fun.
We were on the boulevard in that the other night.
Yeah.
And we come up. See that beautiful lit up star coming from these beautiful 17x9 OEM Cobra wheels. Exactly at the same time. Must be twins, right? Oh, throwing the ambers on me. LMR ambers.